I am here at Ingram Micro's BTN, and I'm talking to Jason Beal, and he is here with the crew from Seismic, Justin Crotty, and that whole group, and they're talking at this event about cloud computing, and one of the big messages that they're trying to deliver is their view on whether cloud is a threat or an opportunity to the reseller channel. So Jason, can you tell me a little bit about what you're telling these guys?
Sure. The more solution providers that we talk to, the more that we're encouraging them for them to look optimistically at cloud computing, not as a threat to their business and their business model and their relationships with their end users, but rather as an opportunity for their business, an opportunity for them to not only stay relevant, but add a lot of value and thus make a lot of money with cloud computing solutions. You know, there's an unlimited amount of technology now that's widely available to them as solution providers and to their customers. There's many benefits in terms of economics and scalability and flexibility to cloud solutions, but we strongly believe that solution providers will still play a critical role in helping end users leverage that technology in the cloud in order to meet and solve end user business problems. So we absolutely are bullish on the fact that there is a role for the solution provider in the cloud computing landscape.
Now, I know when you talk to these resellers that one of the things they always clamor for is tell me who to sell to, tell me how to sell it. And you guys have some great examples of end user adoptions for this. Can you share some of those?
Well, certainly. We're already hearing widespread evidence, both at the local level as well as all the way up through the federal government, of end users using the cloud computing technologies to meet their business needs. And in each of those cases, there's a solution provider in the middle of that transaction. So for instance, recently there was a public press release about the federal government, the Department of Health and Human Services, using Salesforce.com internally for their business needs. And that solution was integrated into the Department of Health and Human Services through a solution provider called Acumen out of the Beltway area. You've heard of a recent example about Outback Steakhouse working with the Azure platform, but again through a Microsoft solution provider partner who understood the needs of Outback Steakhouse when they wanted to run a promotion and leveraged the Azure platform in order to meet the needs of the business. Again, this was a cloud technology with the role of the solution provider meeting the needs of an end user business. So we're certainly seeing adoption at the public sector and private sector, mid-market, enterprise, and SMB levels.
And I know that really the big message you guys delivered this morning was that cloud's not easy, and that's the opportunity for these guys. So I really appreciate you talking to us today, and I'll let you get back to work. Thanks a lot, Jason.
All right, thank you. You're welcome.